The opening of an international criminal court investigation into the crimes perpetrated by Russian forces in Ukraine has raised hopes that Vladimir Putin's regime will be brought to justice. But formidable obstacles stand in the way of actually holding the Russian president and his inner circle to account. In response to an unprecedented referral from 39 ICC member states, ICC Chief Prosecutor Karim announced Wednesday the start of an investigation into potential war crimes and crimes against humanity committed in Ukraine. With international news dominated by graphic images of Russia's targeting of Ukrainian cities, Khan vowed to begin the inquiry as rapidly as possible. However, gathering enough evidence to indict a head of state is not a simple task. As Putin's forces encircle Kyiv and intensify their attacks on other civilian centers such as Kharkiv, it seems unlikely that the ICC can act quickly enough to indict the Russian leader for war crimes and crimes against humanity. One major challenge is the difficulty of expeditiously collecting sufficient evidence to link Russian atrocities in Ukraine up the chain of command to the Kremlin. A more direct route for the ICC to drop a legal hammer on Putin would be to charge him with the crime of aggression. The crime has been defined by the UN General Assembly as the use of armed force by a state against the sovereignty, territorial integrity or political independence of another state. In contrast to the difficulty of linking war crimes to Putin himself, an indictment for the crime of aggression in Ukraine would seem rather straightforward. After all, Putin made his February 24 invasion order known to the entire world, an order that blatantly violates the international prohibition on attacking a sovereign nation unless authorized by the United Nations Security Council or undertaken in genuine self-defense.